Okay, step number 4 to your digital mural project after you've added your background color is to add a text box. So the way you do that is you come up to this T right here for text, click on that and draw out a text box like this. Click your mouse inside of it and you're going to write your I am, I can, I will statements. So remember, I am is what you are in the present. So I am a creator. Maybe that's what you're going to say. You can, I can is what you've done in the past and how you know that you can do that. So I can, let's see, bring peace was one of mine. Then you're going to fill in the I will statement. That's a future statement. So I will live with joy. Okay, so those are my 3 statements. Now, that text doesn't look very pretty. This is a class, this is an art class as well. So you want to think about your layout and your design and your color choices. So what you need to do is change the font style, color, and size of your text. So the way to do that is you highlight your text and you can come up top here. There are 3 little buttons right here that says more. Click on that and you got a bunch of different options. So this right here is your font size. So you can use the plus button to make them bigger like that. I want to make them real big because these are also going to go in the classroom. And you can drag out the size of this text box to make them any way you want. You're going to want to change the font style. So it shouldn't just be the default font, which is Arial. You want to drop down this font menu here and lots of different options. Pick a kind of text that goes with your personality. So if you're real fancy, maybe you want to do something more cursive-y, something like that. If you're sort of goofy, maybe a Comic Sans. If you're more serious and motivated, maybe you want to do something more formal. Mine is kind of about being in the flow and living with ease, so I'm going to do this cursive right here. Okay, so Pacifico is my font, and now I have options. I can make it bold. I can make it italics if I want, clicking on these. And then the most important thing is that now you want to change the color. So I'm going to make each kind of fill in the blank a different color. So I am a creator. I'm going to highlight that word, come up to this A button right here, and this is how I can change the color on my text. So I'm going to make that orange so it sticks out. I can bring peace. I'm going to highlight that. To me, peace, I think of green, like nature, very calming. So I'm going to do a calming color, green. Okay, and then I can live with joy. So I'm going to highlight live with joy. And to me, joy is very bright and happy. So maybe I want to go pink, something like that. And there we go. Now I've created my text. I've changed the color. I've changed the font. I've changed the style and the size. And now I want to move it around until I get it to a place where I want it to be on the screen. Okay, right now I'm not exactly sure because I haven't added my photos. But the first step is to just get your 3 statements in your slideshow by using the text function. Okay, so here's where you make your text box. And then you've got all sorts of different options like bolding, italics, underlining, changing the color, changing the size.